Meaning of earthwork.
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 Earthwork. Earthwork refers to any kind of construction work that involves moving or shaping large quantities of soil or rock. It can include activities like excavation, grading, and leveling, and is often used to create artificial landscapes like hills, mounds, and terraces. Earthwork can be done by hand or using heavy machinery, and is commonly used in the construction of roads, buildings, and other structures. The end result of earthwork is a modified terrain that meets the needs of the project at hand, whether it's providing a stable foundation for a building or creating a more aesthetically pleasing landscape.